External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, who is on an official trip to the US, discussed several issues with his counterpart Antony Blinken. Jaishankar met Secretary of State Antony Blinken, Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin, National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan, US Trade Representative Catherine Tai, and Director of National Intelligence Avril Haines over the past 2 days. Jaishankar is the first Indian cabinet minister to visit the US under the Biden administration. He said that pandemic and vaccines were the most important aspects of his discussion with the top officials of the Biden administration. The External Affairs Minister said that the endeavor was to expand the production of vaccines in India with assistance from the United States. If I were to sort of describe the objectives, one of course was to come here and express our appreciation for the very strong solidarity that the US has shown during the second wave of COVID-19 in India, and to work with the US on the vaccine production issue because the US in terms of the supply chain for vaccines is absolutely indispensable. Jaishankar said that the US would send a certain number of vaccines to India. I think President Biden himself had said that the US would be willing to send out a certain number of vaccines. He also referred to it, so those are ready to use vaccines. We have indicated a willingness to import vaccines and accept vaccines that have been cleared by the US FDA. Apart from the COVID-19 crisis in India, Jaishankar and Blinken discussed India's border issues with China. Blinken said that India and the US will work together to address the issues. Productive discussion with Dr. Jaishankar on regional security and economic priorities to include US COVID-19 relief efforts, India-China border situation, and the support for Afghanistan. As friends, we will work together to address these areas of shared concern. Jaishankar also discussed measures to review the economy after the pandemic. There was a lot of business interest on what is happening with COVID-19. How is it moving? What could be its economic impact? All this matters to a lot of people who have invested in India, who have employees in India. Blinken further said that the US and India are united in the fight against COVID-19. India is currently reeling under a severe second wave of COVID-19. The country and states are in talks with vaccine manufacturers to procure vaccines to speed up the vaccination drive in India.